WP Johnny here. Today I'm going to do another tutorial video on how to get rid of your page builder. So today's candidate, today's patient is going to be this really awesome photography site by one of my clients, Mark Condon or Condone, or I'm not sure how to say it, but I hope I'm not butchering his name too bad. So it's a really cool photography site, talks about like tips and tricks, camera, photography tips and tricks, and then also like really cool gear reviews and whatnot. He's got a gajillion visitors or so. It's a really popular site. I've been begging him for a long time to get rid of the beaver builder that he's using on here because I think it affects page speed and it's also unnecessary. And his layout is simple enough to do with just Gutenberg blocks. So if you don't already know, my favorite Gutenberg blocks right now is Generate Blocks. So they have the alpha version that's out, and so it's not on the repo. It's not in the repository, but you can download, install it. It's free. You have to go to the site to get it. I've already installed it, and then you can get to work. So here I've created like a blank page, and on his site he has like the classic editor set. So I had to like wrestle with the settings, make it so that my user can switch to the standard block editor. And from there, I was able to work in this mode. So we're just going to rebuild his home page, which is this right now, and we're going to rebuild it without Gutenberg. I'm sorry, without Beaver Builder. So it's going to be here. Of course, it's blank right now, but you guys are going to watch me build it from scratch, little by little. And I think this is the wrong one. It's number 3 because I've took some tries and messed up a couple times. All right, let me publish this so it has a working, it has working permalink, and it should be working now. Okay, awesome. That's up, and then this one, let me open up the original one. Where is it? Ooh, I have so many. It's funny. And here we are. And it's gonna, I want you to launch Beaver Builder, so we have it all set up. Oh, that's an annoying little ad right here. Okay. And okay, so this is why I hate page builders. Little things like that, you gotta wait for it. It has to load. Okay. So here we are, we can see very clean design. So let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do, get rid of the title. We don't want that to be showing on there. So where is it? It's probably going to be down here. No, not there. Fine. Let's scroll to the bottom. Probably the option's probably going to be sitting at the bottom. Landing page, none. Form, default, none. Graph type. Okay, don't need that. Don't need Yoast SEO stuff, don't need the ConvertKit stuff. And what the hell? All right. So for this page, if it's truly what I'm seeing here, it's not giving us the options to remove the title. And if so, that's fine. We'll just have to create a custom template later and strip it out. So I'm not going to do that now, but just trust that it will be done. Okay. So first off, let's get this gray full width banner thing with today's hot deals, handpicked for photographers, whatnot. So let's do it. Let's get this color right here, background color. And oh, really? Transparent? Okay, whatever. So we're gonna have to put a container. There it is. Background color. Oh, it's in hex. All right. Convert. RGB to hex converter. Wait, is that RGB? That's another format. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Oh, it is. All right, you know what? I'm not going to do that. There's another way to get this color, and you do it like this. Just going to do this, and then use the eyedrop. Boom. Did we get it? We got it. Oh, no! Okay, we need a different hex. Jesus. Shift click to change. Oh, come on, guys. All right. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. Normally I'll pop open Facebook or something and get that going, but we're just gonna have to pick something like this. Yeah. Fine, a little lighter. That's good enough. We will get that closer later. All right. Moving on. Let's refresh this so we get that back. Today's hot deals. You know what? Get this back up. Sorry. Change this. Today's hot deals. Is this H2? What is this? This a header? Oh, it's not a header. It's just giant text. That works. Align center, class size, span style. Fine. So I'm just being really lazy right now and not putting things so perfectly. And then we need the little logo, right? So he has what's that? How did he get the fireball there? Here. How did he get this? What is it? Okay, let's just try. That's so weird. That is so weird. It copied over. I don't know how. Okay, works for me. Works for me. I'm not even gonna question that. Okay. Let's make this, let's get this container to be full width. All right. 1400. All right. Ah, I know it. It's darn padding. Right, left. No? Is there caching? Does he have caching running? Yep, I still see padding in here, so we have to get this padding out. Ah, but that's the padding on the inside. What's the margin? Let me clear out this here. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we're gonna have to make a a beaver builder. I'm sorry, we're gonna have to make a custom page template later to remove the side padding, but it's fine. We can move on. This is close enough. Now we just need to get the button going, and let's see what he's got going on for the button. I'm curious to know if this is an image or if it's, okay, so it's like a gradient. Got it, linear gradient to bottom. Okay, cool, so this is a lot of fun. And then he has like a little icon sitting in there. So let's do this. What is this? Okay. We're gonna use the generate blocks buttons because that one has more options. Okay, great. Now I gotta decide. Maybe I'll make a container. Maybe that's easier. Just make a container, and then in here will be the button, and that button's gonna fill the space, and the container, we're gonna lock it down to, let me see if it, okay, so it's the same size in desktop and mobile, it appears. Button's 200 width. Cool. And then it says get discounts. Discounts. Cool. Then it has a gradient. Oh boy. What's the degree for top to bottom? 180? Yep. And then the top color is, it's this. Oh, I hate when they do that. Okay. Let me see if I can toss it into here. 255 72 0. Oh boy, where did I? Here. And the position was 0.83. Okay. And then I'm not even sure I'm doing that right. Moving on. Oh, this. Whoops. Whoops. 102.30. God. Alright, hold on. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna shrink myself a little bit. And you know what? The camera's not even working. Let's close this out. Hello. Okay, so we got that one. Let's go get the top one. It was 102.30. 255, 102.30. Convert to hex. Oh boy, it's like almost nearly the same. All right. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Yep. I don't know what's going on here. Let's just put this and be done with it. Okay, radius of what? 2. Two, 4, 3, 16, 0. Okay, a pixel border of 1. It's fine. Border radius. La la la. Ooh, icon. You get to choose. I'm sure. Let me see what the hand is. Okay, there it is. Okay, so it's a font awesome icon of a pointer hand, and I'm not gonna try and figure that out right now. But let's just pick something so we have something to look at. How about just this? Yep. Okay. And spacing 1, 1, 1, 1. Doesn't look like 1. It looks a little rounder than that. Oh, it's a border size of 1, but the radius is... Come on. I think that was it. Let's see. 4. Good enough, guys. You can just skip this stuff. Skip this junk. Like, you don't have to really watch all this. Okay. Oh, did I didn't update it. Okay. Ew. Oh, I know why. There it is. Come on. think it needs to be a little longer. Okay, I think there's a internal margin being forced on here. Internal padding. How about take this out? Take this out. No, still. Jeez. There's no padding being forced on there. The container width is fine. Super confused. Let's just increase this. See what happens. Okay, so something's forcing it down. Full width. I think this is one of those things where I just have to open a new tab. Okay, I don't know, but we're moving on. Inside your camera bag. Let's use generate plex headline. So we can draw this in CSS later. Yep. So we can draw the bars later. That's not hard at all. Just so you can see, you can do a headline bars class, and then just let me see which class. Called F1 heading. And F1 heading has that, so it has this. So check this out. Do we put it? It's headline bars? Yeah, cool. Oh boy. Tons of hacks. Way too many. Way too many hacks. Oh, still waiting for something to load. Headline bars. There we are. Cool, now let's see if it works. This is lame. He's got some caching. That's the problem. I have to clear the cache to see it, and I've got so many things open right now, so it's kind of hard. But we can see our work from here. Okay. All right. So let's go back and recontain this thing. Contain this monster. Uh-oh. Full width. Contain. Oh no. I lost the container that was containing that button. That button was supposed to be contained. Oh. Oh, that's so annoying, you guys. Yeah. Alright, let me. Let's see if we can frag this. Oh wait, did I get it? Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that there, and then I just need to. If I can just drag the side of this. Oh, I can't. Oh, yes, I can. Here we are. Let's see, did I get it? Nope. Here we are. Oh, it won't go in there. Oh, so close. Get in there. Well, I guess we can do it that way as well. Adding 20, 20. Okay, and then just to copy this. Oh, what happened? Oh, that's right. It's here. It's just back here. And here, and we just needed to like skip. FL heading, bars. Ah, okay, so maybe this has to be a span. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Shall we make actually, we should make this add-on CSS because because we're going to reuse it several times throughout the site. So let's put it here. Header bar clear. Yeah, we call it header bar clear. Oof. Yes. And then we're gonna make that a span. Span. Span class. Header bar clear. Yay! All right. Moving on, inside your camera. Okay, now it looks like to me like something in the size dropped. Okay, so it dropped to a font size 30. I don't agree with it. Whatever. 30. Visually, please. And then, you know, we need some spacers here. Camera gear used by photographers will hide. Yep, so he's got to do another. Okay, it's gray text. And it's font size 14. Did I miss a period? No. Nope, no period, just like that. 14. Text color. So as you guys can see, like, it's little things like this that take forever. Oh, I didn't align it. So let's align it. Up here. And I'm gonna guess that it's too much space. Let's see. Oh hey. You know what? It's close enough. Maybe 5. All right, let's check padding and all that because we want to learn how to do this. So the top one is fine. Top one doesn't have any effect. Okay, so it's just sitting with. All right, so as long as this has no padding or margins on either of these, it should sit exactly the same. That's fine. Yeah, I think it's the same. Inside your camera. So actually this font size is a little smaller. It's the B and the D. Ah, okay. Letter spacing. Got it. This is how they get you. Letter spacing 1.5. Got it. Got it. Oh, it's by EM. Who does this? It should be by pixel. All right, here it is. Too big. Still too big. And the Goldilocks in me is happy now. Yep, perfect. Okay, moving on. Okay, now for this grid. So this grid, I have no idea what it is, if it's just static or is it dynamic, is it does it choose the same ones each time or is it choosing the latest post? So we don't know and we have to find out. So let's find out. What is this? It's posts. It's latest posts. Let me check, guys. Let me check. Sam Yang, Joe Scriven, swap no. Swap no. Okay. It's best digital frame. Okay. So this is for for gallery only. It's for a certain category only. So let me check. Custom query, so posts, descending posts, and only the ones that are inside the category of inside your camera bag. Got it. Makes sense. Perfect sense. I understand it. Hang on just 1 second, guys. I gotta plug in my MacBook. Okay. And I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm plugged in. Okay. So, let's pop it in and let's see what we get. So, we'll probably need a container and then a grid. So, here it is. And do we need space? Let me check. No space are needed, or at least I don't think so. Okay. Let's get here. Let's hit here. Great. And let's get a container going. Awesome. In here, let's get a grid going. And the grid is going to be a 4-column layout. Awesome. And oh wait, hold on a second. Hold on. No, it should not be a grid. Just kill that whole thing. All right. Yeah. But now, latest post. No, okay, remove this block. We have our container. So we want to show posts, but in a certain way. Okay, so I'm not seeing what I want. So it's time for another handy plugin by the same developer of Generate Press or Generate Blocks. It's called Show Posts. WP show posts. Is that? Yep, Tom was born. Okay, and hurry the heck up. So once I get one of these columns up, we're done. I'm not going to repeat every row, as you can see, because it would take forever, and we don't need to see all that. And this video is too long already. I try to make my videos in like 10-15 minutes because I'm a lazy person, but sometimes you have to do what you got to do. Okay, so I have it on there, and that should be enough. Yeah, the plugin should be installed. Show post. Where is it? There it is. Okay. I refresh the page. That way I can see the option in the block list. Meh. Okay, I know what you have to do. There's so many plugins that I've used, and every time I use them, I start to forget how to use them. Okay, how do this? Post from any post type, anywhere. Check out the Pro version for even more features. Oh, don't tell me I have to pay. I did it before with the freebie. Where is the option? Alright, hold on. Yeah, so it should show. Oh, okay. Here it is. Got it. Okay, I remember now. You have to do it from here, then you put it in. Home. Okay, there it is. Home. Let's call it. What was it called? Inside your camera bag. Cool. Post type post, 10 posts per. Four. Don't worry, we'll mess with it later once we know exactly what they should be. This is 250 by 167. Actually, I like it even. 250 by 168. Center image location. Below title. No, it's above the title. No content. Include title. Title element is just regular paragraph, I believe. No header, right? No header. Really? Okay, I don't agree with this. I think this is really poor SEO, to be listing it like that, but whatever, let's do it. No dates. Did we have dates? No dates. It was just the name and that's it. No author, terms, comments, nothing. Here, I think we get to choose which categories. Awesome. Okay. And then now we use this shortcode. So this plugin of his doesn't integrate with Gutenberg blocks, with Gutenberg automatically, but I'm sure he'll probably update it later, and it will. Just right now it doesn't, so that's fine. I'm going to use the native shortcode block. And okay, let's see what we get. That's not bad, you guys. That's not bad. So this is why, yeah, this is why I don't like the H2. Then we have to go hack the code again to make it look. So let's get rid of all the spacing in here so it'll expand correctly. Yeah, okay, so there's still a tiny margin. Who's doing that? Okay. It's because this plugin has got it. So we just gotta mess with the padding. We'll go back here and let's go to edit list. I got images. Okay, gutter. Let's bring it down. So we can edit the CSS for that to remove like that side padding to get it even closer. Oh man. And we'd also have to edit the CSS to make it close in 2 columns, because right now it's when you bring down the mobile responsive, it's bringing it down to 1 column, and that's not what we want. So I always take note of like these tiny little things. And okay, I don't know why that gutter, I mean, I brought it down super small, but that's fine. I know that I'm gonna have to mess with this to get it how I want. You know, what happens if I put just 20 pixels? I'm almost done. And okay, I think this just has to be 0. I think that's what it is. I'm just gonna 0. Will that do it? Oof. I think it has to do with the, yeah. Okay, so show post thing has a natural margin bottom 1. Where's the full on? Where's the side? Oh, got it. That's the size of the image. Why did it put it at 273? I've clearly specified. Did I just get the wrong? Got it. 250 by 168. Got it. Or maybe it needs to be 570 by 381. Maybe I need to get the right. Let me see what's going on. Okay, don't know, but that should be an easy fix. Let's go fix this H2 right now, and let's just assign there you go. I've got the container, and let's call it H2 thread. And inside our H2 grid CSS items, we're going to resize this down to font size 15. Text transfer. Okay, yeah, all this. Got it. Oh, cool. They called it grid title too. All right. Here. Let's give it some space. H2 grid. Cool. And let's bring it down. Nope, didn't take. Oh, I know why it didn't take. It didn't take because this isn't showing up as H2. No, that's not why. That's something else. Edit here, columns, post per page, 8. Measure limit, center, content, exit, words. Should just be 0. Read more button. Oh, we didn't even have that. So this is really weird. It asked me if I wanted a header assigned, and oh, okay, here. All right, got it. Why is this one? Oh, this is the image, this is the photo. Okay, I'm silly. Excuse me guys, I'm just trying to decide how I want to go about this. Show posts. You know what? It's fine. I can just use that. And then I probably I don't need this. Actually, I can probably use that for something else. I'll use that to resize, like the grid padding and all that. And then, oh yeah, I got a text align. Where is it? Let's get this thing in the middle, shall we? Text align, center. Maybe we want to bring it up a little tighter. I think it was tighter here. No, that's about right. We want to raise the bottom margin. Let me see where I can get the vertical. Oh, there it is. I mean, I could just throw it. This is probably not the best way to go about it, but just to give you guys some ideas of. How about that? We'll probably need a little more, but let's see what we have. And nothing. Oh, why did I put the S? That was dumb. Show post entry title. Who did that? I'm sure if I pay for the pro version, I get more options. That's okay. We're just gonna have to do that. I got off the thing you're not ever supposed to do. Okay, there. So, oh, I know what it needs. It needs a little more than that. How about that? So this isn't bad, guys. This isn't bad at all. I've nearly recreated it in one run. As you can see, completely unrehearsed. I'm fumbling all over myself, digging around through code, getting lost, and then having to like make multiple tries. But at least you can see all the different areas that I would be messing with when I play with this kind of thing. And it's not bad. It doesn't look, you know, it's not so far off what we had. There's little things like I have to do the custom template so that we can get rid of the title, and that's not hard at all, but that should be like in another video because it's its own little separate universal topic. And then later on, you know, he also has the category pages like this where there's a, just trying to, okay, I have to wait for this thing to load. Here it is. So it's loading now. You see, so he has the same grid thing going on, but oh, okay. Well, maybe not that. It was his post pages. No, not this either. Okay, so he had some pages somewhere that had like a different layout and different things. So, but I think they're even easier. So, but anyways, you guys can see I rebuilt most of the home page, which is basically just this full width thing, getting rid of the title, make this little thing with the bar in the background, and then the grid, and then of course the button. But you guys can see how to make the button put the background highlight with the background hover color, and then just repeat it several times. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for your patience. Thanks for sitting in on this long video. But appreciate it, and see you guys next time. Let me know what kind of pages you want me to remove page builder for. Thanks for watching.